Have you ever wondered how the once fierce space race between the United States and the Soviet Union came to a harmonious end? Well, the answer lies in a unique project, the Apollo-Soyuz test project. Now let's take a step back and delve into the beginnings. The space race, a byproduct of the Cold War, was a head-to-head competition that began in the mid-20th century. The Soviet Union threw down the gauntlet with the launch of Sputnik, the first artificial satellite in 1957. This event marked the start of a new era. Not to be outdone, the United States made a giant leap with the iconic Apollo moon landing in 1969, a feat that had the whole world holding its breath. These events, driven by a fierce competition, led to a significant milestone that would change the course of space exploration. The Apollo-Soyuz test project was a historic moment that marked the end of the space race and opened the doors for international collaboration in space exploration. Let's dive into this monumental event. The Apollo-Soyuz test project, launched in July 1975, was the first international human spaceflight. It brought together two former rivals, the United States and the Soviet Union, in a joint venture that was as much about diplomacy as it was about space exploration. In this mission, an American Apollo spacecraft and a Soviet Soyuz spacecraft docked in space, marking the first time that spacecraft from different nations had joined together. This wasn't just a technological feat, it was a symbol of international cooperation and the potential of shared scientific endeavors. Now imagine this: astronauts from the United States and cosmonauts from the Soviet Union, once competitors in the most heated race of the 20th century, were now working side by side. They conducted joint activities, shared meals, and even exchanged commemorative items as a gesture of goodwill. On the political front, the Apollo-Soyuz test project was a significant step towards easing Cold War tensions. It demonstrated that two superpowers could set aside their differences and work together for the common goal of advancing human knowledge and exploration. The Apollo-Soyuz test project was not just a technological achievement, but also a symbol of peace and cooperation. This mission forever changed the course of space exploration, paving the way for the international collaborations that have become common today. The Apollo-Soyuz test project was a turning point in our quest to explore the universe. It was a moment that truly epitomized the essence of unity and cooperation. This historic mission was not just about two superpowers showcasing their technological prowess, but rather, it was about breaking down the barriers of mistrust and fostering a climate of international cooperation. The Apollo-Soyuz test project was a catalyst that paved the way for future international space projects. It laid the groundwork for collaborative missions, and most notably, for the establishment of the International Space Station, an emblem of global unity in space exploration. This space station has since served as a shared home for astronauts from numerous countries, a testament to the enduring legacy of the Apollo-Soyuz mission. The mission also played a significant role in easing Cold War tensions. It represented a thawing of the icy relations between the United States and the Soviet Union, two nations that had been embroiled in a tense space race. This symbolic handshake in space was a clear message to the world that cooperation, not competition, was the way forward in space exploration. So the next time you gaze up at the stars, remember the remarkable journey of the Apollo-Soyuz test project, a testament to what we can achieve when we choose cooperation over competition. Thanks for watching Universal Facts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Cosmic Chronicles.